So today, I am making stuffed peppers. You know this channel used to be Claude's Kitchen when I first started out. I've already cut the tops off, pulled out the seeds and everything. You can actually, whatever's left over here, I might chop up and put inside the mix. I've got the, sorry guys. I've got some garlic here. You want to, slice it really good. Chop it up. I like this garlic. It smells so good. Arabella, okay? Bella! It's my daughter playing over there, drinking juice. So you get these all chopped up really good. There's only two I'm making here. My kids won't eat this. Maybe my daughter might. Is it good, Arabella? Chop it up. Good job, Arabella. She drank her juice, guys. Oh, I forgot the Curious George was playing in the background here. Anyways, get this garlic chopped up. I got some onion. I wish I had a white onion. That's what the recipe called for. I just looked up, but I'm okay with this. Okay. These onions, they put a lot of flavor and stuff. I always used to use the white onions. I'm used to that. But that's from the Philippines, and it's cebolla, they call it. These onions are powerful, they're strong, which after I fry them up, it'll bring out the flavor. So, like I said, I got two of these bad boys. So, I'm gonna fill this up. A little more onion. I have a tomato I'm gonna put in here too. And, it should be pretty good. Guys, I actually have a little spring onion I'm going to throw in too. See, my wife's from the Philippines. A little spring onion ain't going to hurt anything. If anything, it'll add a little flavor. Gonna fry it all up. That should be good. As you can see, guys, I got here the garlic, onions. Only two pieces, so it's not going to be a lot of stuff. It'll mix really good. And so I don't waste any of this top, I'm going to cut this up and actually put it in there too. You can use this for a little stand too if your pepper's like leaning over. See this? See this one? It's kind of leaning. Put this here, you get a little stand to hold it up. You know what I mean? Anyways, guys. Like I said, let's add. So we're not wasting our peppers. Make sure you wash these off. Take the sticker off too. I keep dropping, you guys. Gonna fry this all up. I got the rice cooking right now. Let me go find a tomato. I'm gonna do a little different. I'm gonna add some tomato in here too. I got a tomato sauce I'm gonna put in there. You can use tomato paste. These could be made a little spicy too. Once the hamburger's thawed out, all this is gonna get chopped up. Get cooked together till meat's like brown. And I'm gonna put a cup and a half of rice in there. Should be pretty good, guys. My wife's not expecting this. We bought these the other day. Said I was gonna do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. In this house, we both like to cook. She's been doing a lot of cooking lately. So I'm gonna surprise her with this. Tomorrow will be some baked potatoes. So now you want to put all those goodies in the pan with some olive oil. The olive oil get hot. I actually use vegetable oil because I didn't have any olive oil, but olive oil is better for you. Let the stuff get brown. So, after you get all those goodies together, get them in this pan, cook them up really good. I added a little tomato sauce. And I got the rice right here. It's going to be stuffed together with all this goodness. And go into the pepper. So after you put your rice in, you want to mix this, fold it in really good. Add a little black pepper. Put some chili peppers in there too, if you like. Okay. Add a little bit more sauce. Sprinkle the mozzarella in there. You want to get it in, because when you put this into the pepper, you're going to see like a cheese pull going on there. It's a beautiful thing, guys. Alright guys, get yourself a nice spoon. And stuff these peppers. See the cheese pull in there? Isn't it a beautiful thing? A lot of flavor going on here, guys. And onions, garlic, chili peppers, cebolla, onions. It's gonna bake for about 15 minutes. So when the wife gets home, I'll throw them in the oven and she'll be surprised. It's gonna be beautiful. Thank you guys for watching our channel here at Claude's Kitchen. That used to be the name of the channel. Masarap. Lamig kaayo, as they say. I made it out. Thumbs up.